Hi, I'm Tsipi Kaplan, chef and recipe developer, and I'm so excited to cook with you today. This is a KetoFLEX 12-3 recipe, and really that's how I like to eat. It's my favorite grab-and-go meal. We're gonna layer all these beautiful vegetables here. Start with a great dressing that is creamy, lemony, herby. Can't wait to show you all the steps. Come on, let's go. First, I roasted about 5 ounces of salmon at 400 for about 12 minutes. I let it cool completely, then I flaked it into bite-sized pieces. And at the same time, I steamed my broccoli for about 4 to 5 minutes, just until it turned bright green and tender. Now the green goddess dressing, you can easily use whatever herbs you love here. Today I'm going with basil, dill and parsley, and I'm using my little bullet blender, but any blender or food processor works perfectly. Into the blender I'm adding avocado, all the fresh herbs, tahini, olive oil, garlic, lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and just a little water to help everything blend. You're looking for a nice, pourable consistency, very green, so if it feels too thick, just add a splash of more water. Then blend it all until it's smooth and creamy. And next, I pour about half that dressing into the bottom of your mason jar. I'm using half a gallon jar, which fits about 5 cups of veggies and can easily make 2 meals. But smaller jars work just as well. Now we layer everything in. I'm starting with thinly sliced fennel, the broccoli, the flaked salmon, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. On top, I'm adding a mix of arugula and butter greens, but any greens you like or whatever you have at the fridge will work great here. I actually made the salad to bring to a little picnic, but the salad is also perfect for a meal prep, the office, or the beach. Just store them in the fridge until you're ready to eat. Keep a little extra dressing on the side for serving and finish it off with your favorite nuts or seeds. I love adding pepitas for a bit of crunch. This is such an easy grab-and-go salad, and it holds up really well in the fridge for a couple of days. The dressing is also amazing on grilled chicken, fish, or roasted veggies. If it thickens up in the fridge, just stir in a little water or some olive oil to loosen it up. The recipe is super flexible. Switch up the veggies, try different greens, make it your own. Enjoy and have some fun with it. For more recipes like this, along with full access to the Bredesen protocol, go to apollohealthco.com.